All right, we're rolling. Vlog. I think this is number. Whoa. Easy. Okay, I think we're on vlog number 6.
Fired up
to Breezewood. Have the bikes loaded. Got the diesel dog from Turkey Hill. It's a little dismantled right now. We have Zoomer, Spec, Seagrass. We have about 3 hours and 4 minutes till we're there, 207 miles. It is 7:41 a.m. We were supposed to leave at 7, typical. We're early today, actually. That's good timing. Brillo is already, I'd say, 2 hours in, but wait till we come. We're the real show. We're the real show. All right, we'll keep you updated.
I'll jump the
Okay. Quick pit stop here at the McDonald's. We're like hour and a half in. Look at that. We got the Av gas. Hester at a 250 today, trying to get all the power he could get. You get that shirt half off? Gonna go with big breakfast, no hotcakes. Maybe a hash brown or two, a little orange juice. All right, what are you getting?
milkshake.
That's it? Torba, what you getting?
Come here. Come here.
Okay, all right.
Okay, we got the big arch.
Limited time.
Some of the time, I don't know. Might give it a shot. See if they got it.
It looks like a lunch one. Bored.
Welcome back, YouTube. We're at McDonald's. Cleaning. Got the floors going good. Torba, is he doing that right?
Get away.
Is he doing that right?
Get away from me. OJ. Oh, we can't see what he got. Cashless. All right, what are we going with here?
We're going with the sausage and cheese McGriddle. Item only.
Gotta go with the hash browns.
So, got 2 sandwiches. We're gonna go over to beverages. Everyone likes a good beverage. Let me see if I can find it here.
Frappuccino.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. You see that anywhere?
Right here.
Oh, that's iced coffee. Where is it? I gotta go to a different part of the menu. Be right with you. Oh, coffee right here. Here we go. Right down here somewhere. Right down here somewhere. Oh yeah, right here. Actually, right
A frappy.
Yep. We're gonna go
Going with the frappy.
We're gonna go medium. Keep it simple. Don't want to overdo it. Expensive breakfast today.
We went with the buy one get one hash browns $1. No hash browns.
I'll hash brown. Let me go back. Let me go back here.
You gotta get it's buy one get one for $1. I lied, it's not free.
I'm gonna get hosed here.
We got a tunnel. Hold your breath. was like the fourth one. Wow. Whew. All right, we made it. It's a little pack, but on the track with Spike. He's nervous. I'm not. I'll be whipping like him. All right, what do you think of the track?
Not for them.
Mediocre. Not a fan of the quads. Definitely not a fan of the quads. They need to go. That's a fact. But we're gonna give you one lap. Everybody knows the rules. We're gonna do, I don't know what the track they call that, and then we're gonna do, that's called the intermediate track. To me, nothing intermediate about it. All right, stay tuned. Are we rolling? We're rolling. Let the water jump. Caught in the track. How's that? Not bad. Not bad. All right, that's a wrap. Breezewood. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. Couple fast guys. Had nothing again.
They robbed us.
$100. Hey, oh, here we go. 125. Yep, that's it. It's a wrap. I thought it was good. I don't know. It was fun. I ran out of gas. Joey ran out of gas. Helmet ran out of gas. And Levy. So I would say it's a success. Oh, the light wide open. Okay. Okay. Come on. I don't like the quads. Let's see if this kid hits it. I'm going for it.
I think it's a girl. She's ripping.
I forgot the update. Got the ham, cheese, Lunchable. Wow. Capri Sun. Come on, let's get somebody good. Oh, we got a little ripper coming. He's gonna hit it. He's full gas. Going for it. Oh! Here we go. Let's get ripping. Oh! Little 125 action. All right, here we go. Come on. We'll throw a nice little one.
On the way home. Need food. Hungry.
Batman symbol. Let's hit it again.
I thought you played on
Sheep. Oh, Raising Canes.
It's not around here.
Okay, over. Phone call, Joey P. What do you got to say? Hello?
What?
GoPro, what do you got to say for the vlog?
For the blog.
Unreal, he has nothing to say.
Yeah, I was thinking of something funny, but I got nothing funny to say.
Over. All right, our dinner, Popeyes, some Burger King, Annie Ann's, with Baskin Robbins, Dunkin', 7-Eleven. This is a different Roy Rogers area. Not sure what we're gonna get. I think I'm gonna go with the pizza. Pizza! So I went with the chicken fries, medium fry, orange juice. What'd you get?
I got ghost pepper chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
See if it's spicy. mashed potatoes, signature sauce, and Cajun fries.
What'd you get?
Chicken.
You gotta take them off? Nope. Look at the big Pennsylvania sign. This is the new westbound, eastbound. Where are we going? West.